Hello everybody. I have nothing else to upload. And because it's like the worst gaming thing on my channel, we're gonna play it again. What do you think about that? You probably think I'm a stupid idiot because I am. So welcome back to Clash Royale. I barely ever play this game anymore. On my own time too. Because it's boring as shit. Which is why we're gonna play it. Because nobody wants to watch this because this shit is boring. And in this game, we're gonna tell you how to cook an egg. An egg. Yup, that's right, kids. Ready for this. It's gonna be insane. So, you just have to put a hog rider down. And would you look at that? You have to go do that crap. And do that crap. Do that crap. And would you look at that? We're killing it. And see, they're all dead. There, that's the first step of cooking an egg. No, don't kill the stupid thing. Motherfucker. So then, you kill the dragon. Yup, ladies and gentlemen, you have to murder a dragon. No joke, no scam. Yes, we have to murder a dragon. That's pretty sad, ladies and gentlemen. But it is true indeed. True. Would you look at that? We got the first step of cooking an egg or whatever the shit it is. Done. Our guy's just gonna go stupid. Whew, and do that. Well, I don't know why he did that. I didn't want him to go there at all. Let's see. Skeleton arrow horde. We don't want those idiots there. And would you look at that? I'm winning right now. We're also gonna take all those idiots out. Would you look at that? We're gonna put down a dragon. We're gonna put one of those hogs down. Would you look at that? Look at that. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen. Would you look at that, mate? Look, we're gonna put down a hog rider down. And look, the egg is being cooked up right now. No joke, no scam, ladies and gentlemen. This egg is being cooked right now. Live! This egg is being cooked! See? Look at that! It's cooked! Yeah, it's been cooked! It is cooked! See? We just cooked the egg! We cooked an egg, ladies and gentlemen!